In this video clip, we learn how to conduct a t-test using Minitab. We work on this example on our slide. You can click pause to read more detail. Here we need a two-tail t-test based on the given information. Okay, we go to Stat, Basic Statistics, one sample t-test. Okay, here we use summarized data. Sample size, we are given 25. Sample mean, $172.50. Standard deviation, $15.40. Here we perform hypothesis test. Hypothesized mean 168. We click options. Here we are given alpha equals 0.05. Equivalently, we have a confidence level 95%. We have null hypothesis mean equals 168. Then in the alternative hypothesis, we have that mean is not equal to the hypothesized mean. Sometimes we use lower or upper tail test. Here we use a two-tail test. Then we click OK. Then OK. Here we see the output. Those are the input. Here we find a 95% confidence interval for the population mean mu from 166.14 to 178.86. For our t-test, we have the t-test value 1.46 and a p-value 0.157. Here the p-value is greater than the given alpha 0.05, so we have no evidence to reject the null hypothesis H0. Another approach is to compare the t-value with the t-test critical value. The t-test critical value is not reported here. We can find it by ourselves. Here we can use calculator, probability distributions. We find t-test. Okay, here actually we use inverse cumulative probability. Here we do not have any non-centrality parameter, so we use the default value 0. For our problem, the degrees of freedom equals the sample size 25 minus 1. We have 24 here. The input constant here. Actually, we can either use 0.975 to find the positive critical value, or we can use 0.025 to find the negative critical value. Let's use the positive one. The upper tail boundary 0.975. We click OK. You see, we will find the critical value here 2.0639. The t-value is less than the positive critical value, so we conclude that we have no evidence to reject H0. That's what we have for this example.